Hi friends, long time no see. It's literally been a few years, but I'm back, better than ever. I got a baby, I'm back in Missouri. Life has changed so much. Anyways, I think one of the last videos that I made was my skincare routine, and I figured what better way to come back on YouTube than with a skincare routine. My skin's been like a little funky lately, so I just recently changed my routine, and this is so crooked. There we go. I just recently changed my routine and I want to share with you. So let's take my makeup off, let's do my skincare, and yeah, that's basically it. So let me get you set up. The lighting in this bathroom is not that great. It's like a yellow light. We moved into a new house in Missouri, and yeah, everything's just been changing. We moved into a new house, and the way that our bathroom is made, you can't just change the light bulb. You have to literally remove the entire light fixture and get a new fixture. So my husband's supposed to be doing that when he gets back home. I hate the yellow lights, especially in videos. Like how old these lights are. Like, and that one's is just crazy. But anyways, that is not what this video is about. Let's do some skincare while we drink some fake red wine. I always have to like take off my jewelry. I don't know how people do like makeup or skincare with jewelry on. I just can't do that. I'm not that kind of girl. Ooh. Plus, I feel like when I take my jewelry off at the end of the day, I feel like it's like taking off your bra. So I love it. I love the feeling of taking off my jewelry. So to take my makeup off, I go in with the very basic Garnier cleansing water, and normally I use the cotton rounds, but I got cotton squares and I kind of like these a little bit more than the cotton rounds. I feel like they don't break apart on my face as much as the cotton rounds used to. Actually, let me pull my hair back a little bit more. Sweet deal. Whenever I'm watching people do their skincare, I feel like they take their makeup off so gentle, and like I literally can't. Like when I'm trying to scrape off pounds of makeup, I feel like I'm just like I have to go full force all in on my face or it's just not coming off. Okay, I think we're good with the makeup remover. Okay, so washing my face, I use the Dermalogica Special Cleansing Gel. This is my jam, and recently I just started using a face washing brush. All right. I really have been loving the niacinamide 10%. I think this has helped me a little bit with the bumps on my forehead, and I'm trying to get rid of the dark spots on my forehead as well. So this is supposed to help. Like I said, it's only been about a week since I've been using it, and I'm noticing a difference with the bumps. Now, as far as the dark spots, not so much. And then I like to go in with the Laneige Cream Skin Serapeptide. I think that's how you say it. I love this collection. The way my skin has been so hydrated and just feeling so light, I'm obsessed. And because it's got peptides in it, it keeps my skin hydrated and plump. So good. So for my under eyes, L'Oreal Revitalift. It's got hyaluronic acid in it, so that's really good for hydration as well, I think. And for moisturizer, I use the Laneige Water Bank Hyaluronic Cream. They have a cream and a gel. I personally don't like gel face lotions, and this has peptides in it. So between this and the peptides in this, it really does make my skin really hydrated. I just love like how it feels. Like it just feels so good. Ride or Die Laneige sleeping mask. Super quick skincare video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. If you stuck around the past few years, thank you for sticking around. I hope you guys have a great night, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.